What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, Turn Motivation in the Millions, and the Hussle family. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake social media platforms out here scamming people, faking as me. Alright, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you getting what you paid for. Alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get $50,000 unsecured, not secured, because y'all know if it's secure, you gotta use collateral bonus. Unsecured, no collateral needed. And I'm gonna show you how to buy a house and have different options on how to make money with this house. All right, so today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get $50,000. Yeah, 50,000. It's not gonna be on the personal side. It's gonna be on the business side because, like I told you guys before in previous videos, you will get money faster and easier on your business side with your business credit, vice versa, your personal credit. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do that without no problems. So everybody want to get money. Everybody want to do things. Everybody want to figure out new ways to invest and be blessed. That's the thing. That's the way to go. That's what I teach. Knowledge is power, and how to invest to be blessed. Point blank period. Because at the end of the day, I once was young. I once was with that kid out here flashing money, lump sums of money, and buying things that depreciate, buying things that won't make me money, buying things that really don't matter in life, and just wasting money. But then once you start to mature your mind, you start to realize and wake up how the world really works and how real life is, and no one's going to take care of you, you start to tighten up. You start to invest your money. You start to put your money in smarter places. You stop spending money on things that don't matter. You stop trying to keep up with the Joneses and have the Jones keep up with you, because 9 times out of 10, a lot of people in the world don't own anything. 9 times out of 10, you, the person who's watching this video right now, don't know anybody who owns their own business, who owns anything. So my goal, my passion is to make or help as many people as I can become multi-millionaires. Because at the end of the day, $1 million is not a lot of money. And once I seen and figured that out, it really made me want to even tighten up more. Because everybody dreams to become a millionaire. Everybody dreams, man, if I had $1 million, I'm going to have to ever work and do. Nah, it don't work like that. Because $1 million is only $10,000 100 times. And that's not, like, hard to get. Like, I know. And once you got $1 million and you spend $1, you're no longer a millionaire. Because let's say you do get $1 million, right? It costs to live. You got to pay mortgage or rent. You got to pay for groceries. You got to pay utility bills. You got to pay for, let's say you stay in a fancy neighborhood. You got to pay bill, like it's like a fee for like landscaping and all that you got to pay, and they come do it for you. It's like, depending on what area you in, it might be $2,000, $1,500. You got to pay. You got to pay. And then let's say you got a fancy car. You got to pay for maintenance on that. That's going to be expensive. Like, you got everything in life cost, and the more you elevate your life, the more things cost more. So once you get that $1 million, right, you're gonna go want to go buy that house, go buy that car, go buy that clothes, go buy that jewelry. That $1 million is gone. You're no longer a millionaire. So for the people who get that $1 million and they say they want to continue to be a millionaire, they say, okay, in order for me to stay a millionaire, I got to figure out what I'm going to invest this money in that's going to make me money back in passive income, so I can keep my money continue to be a millionaire, and make more. Now, let me give you the gems, right? So everybody want to know how to do this, right? Everybody want to know how to do this, right? If you got a $4,000 credit card on your personal side, on your business side, you can be able to get a $12,000 to $15,000 credit card. Let me just kick that out there to you like that. So when I be telling y'all to leverage y'all personal credit to y'all business credit, add trade lines, do this and do that, I'm telling y'all this for a reason. A great reason. So boom. What you want to do is, like I've been telling you guys before in previous videos, you want to figure out what your personal credit is. You want to get your personal credit report. Your credit report, boom. Once you get your credit report, you're going to see what your credit score is. It's a 500. Okay, boom. It's a 550. Okay, boom. You're going to see all the collections that's on your account. Once you see all the collections on your account, you're going to make sure all your information is up to date, from your name, address, number, email, good stuff like that. Then you're going to go freeze your credit, your 3 FICOs, your TransUnion, your Experian, and your Equifax. You're going to freeze all your credit accounts. Then you're going to go back and you're going to dispute all those collections on your account. It's going to take up to 15 days. Once you get enough collections off your account, you're going to add trade lines. And I told you where to go to get those trade lines from. Credit Strong. You're going to get at least $45,000 in trade lines. And then go to Trade Line Supply and get an AU account for another $20,000, $40,000. Now you got $60,000 to $80,000 in credit being generated on your personal credit, right? Yeah, your personal credit, right? Okay, boom. So then what you want to do is you want to, oh, hold on, my bad. A lot of people hitting me up. So then the next thing what you want to do is you want to go get you an LLC. And when you get your LLC, you want to make you a real estate LLC, because this is how you gonna finagle the game. This is how you gonna, you know what I'm saying, get your money and stuff. Because like I told y'all, depending on what your LLC is, your business is, would determine the amount of funding you get. Certain businesses need more funding than other businesses. It's just the way that the business world goes, right? So boom. You're going to go to, you gonna get your LLC, get your real estate LLC. And a lot of people don't know where to get their LLC. You can go to INC File and inkfile.com. You're going to start your real estate LLC. Once you start your real estate LLC, then you're going to use the EIN number. Then you're going to get you a business bank account. You're going to get you a checking account and a savings account. But this is the trick. Go to one of the smaller banks or credit unions in your local, in your area. Don't go to a major bank, a big bank. Go to the smaller banks, the credit unions. Why? Because those are the people who are looking to build relationship with the people, get more members, and make more money. Because at the end of the day, once they loan you money, they're making money off of you with the APR. So the more loans they have out, the more money they're going to make. So if you get a $5,000 loan, you're probably gonna be paying back $7,000 to $8,000. You're gonna pay back that money plus more as the interest. So credit unions and smaller banks in your local area is where you need to go to start your business account. All right. So once you start your business account, over 30 days, over 60 to 90 days, take $3,000 to $5,000 and spread it out and put it into the bank account. So today you might put $1,000. Next week you might put $400. The next week you might put $200 or $100. Like, spread out this $3,000 to $5,000. You putting it into this bank because you're gonna build a relationship with that bank. And that's what I keep trying to tell y'all. Y'all build these relationships with these banks. You stay consistent with depositing money. They're gonna see that and they're gonna want to give you things. They're gonna want to give you perks. Once you build that relationship with that bank, then you're going to go apply for a $50,000 unsecured business line of credit. Not a loan, not a credit line, but a line of credit. Why? Because you got a real estate LLC. They see that and they understand that real estate costs. So you get that $50,000 and 9 times out of 10, you're going to get that because you got that personal credit. You got an AU account that's $20,000, which means somebody has a $20,000 credit card that's allowing you to piggyback off their account, so it looks like you have a $20,000 credit card too, which is going to be leveraged with your personal guarantor as you're being your own personal guarantor towards your business credit. So when you apply for this $50,000 unsecured line of credit, you're not going to have a problem getting it. So then once you get that $50,000 line of credit and you go find you a foreclosed home or find you a house for $20,000, you just bought a house, boom. You got $30,000 left. Let's say you're gonna get you a grant or a loan to fix up the house, boom. You're leveraging this free money. You flip the house and you make a profit and sell back the loan and pay back the loan. That's how y'all do it. I'm trying to put y'all in the game. I'm trying to literally give y'all this sauce that y'all need. Y'all just need to stop. Like, listen, you can't be a criminal all your life. You can't cut corners your whole life. You can't be slick your whole life. The goal is to do what you gotta do at whatever, you know what I'm saying, jumping off the porch, invest it so you can be blessed and live life comfortably. Because at the end of the day, to be successful, you're gonna be working forever. You're going to always be figuring out new ways to invest. You're going to be figuring out new businesses to build up and sell. That's how it works. You start an LLC, you build it up, and then you sell it, and you do it again. If you 18, 17, if you 18, 19, 20 right now, you ain't got an LLC, start your LLC right now. I don't care how long it takes you. Just start it right now, build it. So by the time you get 28, you have a 10-year age LLC, and if you do the right steps from the net 30s and the net 60s and the net 90s and just here and there, you will have a payday score of 80 or better on that account, and you'll be getting major funded in no time. And it don't even take that long, but 9 times out of 10, a lot of people don't have their LLCs. A lot of people don't know what they want to do in life. And a lot of people just don't get it. So, but I'm giving you the sauce. I'm giving you the information that you want. So this is how you get that $50,000 unsecured loan to go get you some real estate, flip that house, and make more. Take that sauce. Take this sauce and run with it. Because it's a recession coming, so I don't know what to tell you guys. So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all following these videos. Make sure y'all really paying attention to what I'm saying, because I promise you, if you connect the dots, you'll be successful. Point blank, period. So shout out to all my real supporters. Shout out to all my new supporters, my new subscribers, my new followers, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going, and y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce, and that's what I'm continuing to do. Drop this sauce on credit, business credit, how to make money, passive income, what to invest in, side hustles, all that. I'm going to show you how to make this money. Because by the time you get done watching these videos, you're going to be like, you know what? I'm done buying stuff that don't matter. I'm done not investing. I'm going to find everything that I can invest in, because that's going to make me become a multi-millionaire faster than saving money. You're not going to become a millionaire saving $1 million. No. You're going to become a millionaire faster investing and making it passively. Making money while you're asleep, all right? So let's get to it. Tap in, man. I'm still looking for people for the production company, actors, rappers, models, content creators, cameraman, producers. Music reviews, $200. Once you pay your $200, I'm going to check you out, see what you got going on. You never know what can happen. Come get y'all a chain. Come get y'all a watch. Bust down. Come start making money with this music. All that. Models. Any beautiful young lady out there, any beautiful woman out there, period, that's ready to start making money, ready to start building a platform, their brand, ready to start stop taking model pictures and half-naked pictures for free. Tap in. I'm going to show you how to really make this money. Make sure you got a good head on your shoulders. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. I don't do well with bad attitudes. I got a major production company. I got good things going on, and I'm just trying to help people out. So if you're ready to work, you're ready to elevate, tap in. Let's get it in. Also, get your unlimited gems. FaceTime 101s, $1,200. I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know. You tired of being broke? You want to make cash, sending your thousands of dollars a day? You make $1,000 a day for 30 days, it's $30,000. Make $2,000 a day, that's $60,000. Make $3,000 a day, that's $90,000. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So tap in. Make sure you do that. Come get y'all gems. Book your seat right now in the crypto tour in person. Unlimited gems. $4,500 out of state, $3,500 in state. So you come to me, it's gonna be $3,500. If I gotta come to you out of state, it's gonna be $4,500. $500 deposit to seal in the date. We're gonna pick the date. When that date come, we're gonna make it happen. Make sure you got your payment ready. And y'all know how I've been getting down, man. It's 4:19 in the morning. I'm up dropping gems. Y'all sleep. I'm working. So that should motivate you. Like, dang, that man up while I was asleep, complaining about I'm tired of sleep. He up working. And that's what I want everybody to do. Understand. It's okay to get some rest, but only dreams come to a sleeper. We don't know nothing about dreams. We make dreams come true over here, baby. So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all come and get y'all gems. Shout out to everybody that's been subscribing. Make sure y'all follow all my other social media platforms, all my YouTube channels. Hit the all notification bell. And I'll see you next video. Peace.